Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon. I hope everybody is fine. And by the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also fine. Today I am going to start a new lesson. So here is our new lesson. The lesson is roots. Here, unit 12 and lesson 3. And our topic is Michael Madhusudan Dutt. So here is our lesson. Can you see the poet in the picture? Yes, he's a young man with a beautiful beard and black hair and tie. Is our poet Michael Madhusudan Dutt. So here I read Michael Madhusudan Dutt, popularly known as Madhusudan, was a famous poet. He was a poet of 19th century. And he was not only a poet, he was also a dramatist. That's why here the writer wrote Michael Madhusudan Dutt, popularly known as Madhusudan, was a celebrated 19th century Bengali poet and dramatist. Do you know where he was born? Yes, he was born in Shagurdari, and the Shagurdari village is located on the banks of the river Koputaksho, a village in Kashipur Upazila, and the village is located in Josur district. So let's see about his early life. His boyhood. From his early life, Doctor wanted to be an Englishman in his appearance and in his courtesy, manner. The way he looked, the way he talked, he wanted to be in everything an Englishman. Though he was born in a traditional Hindu family, but he changed his religion. When he was a young man, he converted into Christianity. Much to the ire. Ire means anger, and it caused a lot of anger in his family. This young man is our poet, accepted. The first name is Michael. You know, adopted here. The writer wrote adopted. Do you know the meanings of adopted? Adopted means accepted. Yes. In his childhood, he was recognized by his teacher, a precious child with a gift of literary talent. When Michael Madhusudan was a child, was reading in school, his teacher understood his talent and they recognized him, they admired him for his literary talent. And his exposure to English education and European literature at home and college inspired him to imitate English in taste, manner, and intellect. It means that he got familiarity, he got very introduced to English education and European culture and literature at his home and his school and college. And all these things, education and his introduction to English literature, inspired him to copy English in his taste, the English people, in his taste, manner, and in his talent, in his thought. So from his adolescence, from his boyhood, this great poet began believing that the place he was born was not suitable for him. So he thought he was born on the wrong side of the planet, and his society was unable to admire his talent. So he thought that Michael Madhusudan believed that his society did not have any interest or ability to appreciate his talent. So he believed that he should go to Western country, and because he believed Western people would be interested in his creative genius. As a result, our poet Michael Madhusudan left his country and went to Europe. Here, I read Michael Madhusudan was an ardent, fervent follower of famous English poet Lord Byron. Do you know Lord Byron? Yes, he was an English poet, and our poet Michael Madhusudan loved this English poet very much. He followed him in his heart. So after accepting Christianity, after adopting Christianity, our Michael Madhusudan Dutt went to Europe and started composing. Composing means writing poems and plays. Plays means drama. He started composing dramas and poems in English. He showed his highest level intellectual ability. He has the talent, and the talent in English literature he showed. However, but he did not get the right admiration from the British people, English people. So he got utterly frustrated, and he found that he was not admired and esteemed or respected as a native writer of English literature. So being very frustrated, he started to compose poems in Bangla. He composed a sonnet. It is called Kaputaksha Nath, which earned him a huge reputation in Bangla. Slowly, gradually, he could understand. That means he could realize that his true identity did not lay in Europe, rather it lie in Bengal, and he was just a sojourner. Do you know sojourner means traveler? He was just a visitor in Europe, and later he regretted. He felt very sad for his attraction. Fascination for England and West. He returned to Bengal and devoted himself to Bangla literature from this time. He has written first Bangla epic, a Bangla epic that was the first epic, and his name was Meghnabath Kavya. So that's it, my student, now about Michael Madhusudan Dutt. I hope you have understood it. So I will see you in next lesson.